you're on the go and you see something stunning, something fantastic, some must-have shot, you could just pull over in the corner and grab that shot. Let's go. What's up everybody, it's your boy droneXfactor. In today's video I'm going to show you how I set my Phantom 4 Pro up to be car ready. Who wants to take the time, open up the box, pull out the controller, put it aside, probably outside of the car somewhere, and then you got to get your battery out, and then you got to get your probably fly with your parabolics, and you got to set it up to the controller, and you got to take the drone off, then you got to take the gimbal guard off. Oh my gosh, what a pain. No worries guys, I'm here to save the day. Catch 22. You can't do this when you have your significant other with you.
I go to the front. I have a right to do that stuff. All this. Really? Your sister. Really? You're going to come out of the car?
If not, you can do it in the back seat, although it's faster when you're in the front seat because everything's at hand reach. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is take all your stuff out, just like I just did, right? Starting with the drone, take the gimbal guard off. You must take the gimbal guard off, right? Gently. And put that aside. Next, you want to put your props on, or you can put your props on and then take the gimbal guard off. Doesn't really matter. Of course, if you don't know how to put on your props, well then, you should not be looking at this video. Okay, so the drone is all set up. There's no gimbal guard on it. That's pretty much it. The props are on. We'll put the drone aside for now. Put the controller inside here. Tucked away. We're going to stick these antennas up like this, and we will put on the parabolics like that, the way it's supposed to go for flight, just like that. Parabolics on. Parabolics. What's life without parabolics? Always need that little extra good connectivity. I won't say range, I'll say good connectivity. This, I usually tuck it away where the props are so it's out of the way because I won't really be needing this. And yeah. This will work for all Phantoms, by the way. Your Phantom 4, your Phantom 4 Pro, your Phantom 4 Advanced, you need it. Last but not least, you get the battery in. Put the battery in. Make sure that's nice and firm. Now gently sit your Phantom in like I'm about to sit it in right now. Yep, get ready for the drive. No gimbal guard, but make sure your gimbal is nice and steady and sitting out of the way of anything, because you don't want the gimbal to get damaged, but you do want it to sit nice and steady in there. Tell me that is not hot, guys. And the last step, and probably the most important, because if you mash the brake, Phantom, buckle up. Keep it out of the way of the props. Boom. That's it. I always like to stay strapped in, of course. Wait. Don't go anywhere yet. We got to see how fast this will be. Literally, how fast. Now, I'm not even going to test how fast it is normally because that is a pain in the A. Let's do this. On 3, on 2, on 1. And remember, I'm doing this with a handheld gimbal. Let's go. Now is that fast or what? What? This is your boy DroneXfactor bringing you the tips and tricks that you need to know to get your drone up in the air fast.